For all ML humidification systems, the MLP RO combines the integrated reverse osmosis required for water treatment and the high-pressure pump in one space-saving installation frame. The water treatment removes minerals and germs and thereby ensures the trouble-free and hygienic atomization of the water. The fine pores of the membranes filter out up to 98% of all minerals. The water-lubricated high-pressure pump is made of high-quality stainless steel and operates completely without oil. This reduces maintenance work and ensures a long lifetime. All modules can be configured in different sizes and can be flexibly expanded. The MLP RO comes as standard with humidification outputs of 100 to 800 litres of pure water per hour. Custom solutions can handle up to 10,000 litres with water treatment on a separate installation frame. The built-in control system offers system information at all times, as well as extensive options for inputting and monitoring. This guarantees reliable and safe operation. Maintenance is performed by specially trained technicians who check the humidification directly on site. As part of the agreed maintenance contracts, the systems are cleaned, wearing parts are replaced, and tests are carried out to check for germs and bacteria.